Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Marriott Cancun. Marriott has freshly renovated this property to turn it into its first Marriott-branded all-inclusive resort. We had high hopes for this resort when we visited in May 2024, shortly after it opened, and Marriott exceeded our expectations on all fronts. From the staff, to the quality of the food and drinks, to value for money, Marriott has obviously pulled out all the stops and is delivering a better vacation, dollar for dollar, than virtually all of its direct competitors in the all-inclusive Cancun market. As you approach, you are welcomed into the resort by the happiest staff we have encountered in Cancun. Marriott obviously treats its staff well, and that translates into a better vacation for you. Upon entering the hotel, you are met by huge arched windows looking out to the pool and the ocean beyond. Down elegant marbled hallways to your right and left, you will find several of the restaurants: the cafe, the lobby bar, and the reception area. A small bar serving handcrafted non-alcoholic drinks is just inside the front door. After check-in, I was taken to my ocean view room, and the room was stunning, with elegant creams, wood accents, and soft fabrics. My room had a queen bed, flat-screen TV, and a table and chair. There was a coffee machine, a fridge stocked with soda, water, and beer, and some snacks. There was also a safe and a closet with sufficient hanging space. Outlets for charging were all over the room, including near the daybed that turns into two twin beds that children can sleep in at night. The bathroom was on the smaller side, but has everything you need with a sink, a walk-in shower, and separate toilet area. The bath products by This Works were some of the best I have had at any all-inclusive hotel. Pools and beach. The pool deck has two beautiful pools. The large main pool has a swim-up bar at one end and a huge jacuzzi at the other end facing the ocean. The second adults-only pool is directly next to the main pool, colored greenish-blue to represent the cenotes of Mexico. Surrounding the pools are chaise lounges, some under curved palapa structures, providing shade to those who want it. On the open deck, there are also many sun umbrellas available. The beach is down a short stairway where cabanas and lounges are set up. The beach is amazing, with white powdery sand that is well groomed. There is also a lifeguard station, which is staffed. The ocean water is a stunning aqua in color, and the water is very warm and is lovely to swim in, although when we were there, the water was too rough for us to enter. Dining and drinking. Marriott has something for everyone in the family, from casual grab-and-go food to pop-up taco stands, to formal sit-down restaurants. The food and drink throughout the resort are some of the best I have had at an all-inclusive resort in Cancun, and I have been to quite a few. Casual restaurants. La Isla, open for both lunch and dinner. It serves ceviche with a view directly over the ocean. It is an outdoor venue, but is covered so you can get the breeze and smell of the ocean without sitting in the sun. At lunchtime, they also had a cart set up that made grilled fish tacos that were delicious. Sekbi Beach Shack. On the beach in an open-air restaurant, we had the best food. We ate tacos, chicken nachos, and marinated pork alongside their signature drink, which was a Sekbi Sunshine. I have never had an alcoholic drink with habanero syrup in it before, but it was just perfectly spicy. Botanica. This open-air restaurant is located right off the pool deck and features healthy cuisine with fresh juices, fresh bowls, and salads with a huge list of ingredients to choose from. They make your order while you sit at the bar. I had a delicious Greek bun, which is a salad inside a pita. Taco stand. Just outside Botanica, you will find a mobile taco stand that grills tacos to order. I loved the pork tacos as they were so fresh and easy to grab. Moe's Burgers and Shakes. Moe's is inside the hotel in the lobby corridor and is a 1950s vibe hamburger joint. They serve burgers and other diner food hot off the grill. I had mine with a chocolate milkshake that was hand-blended to order, and everything was delicious. 750 Pizzeria. This pizza store is in the lobby gift shop, which seems a bit strange but is oddly convenient. When you are coming or leaving from the resort, it is easy to grab a quick slice on the go. They make pizzas with a variety of toppings and they heat up your slice within minutes. There are tables in the lobby to sit at and eat your pizza. This venue also serves as the grab-and-go cafe for the resort. I got my cafe lattes here. Sandwiches and pastries are also available. Formal dining. Oh no, is the Japanese restaurant. It has teppanyaki tables which must be reserved in advance, or walk-up sushi tables that require no reservations. The teppanyaki menu is quite different from other ones I have been to. They serve an octopus salad or miso soup, and for the proteins, lamb chops, steak, or mixed seafood is offered. Casa Madre. This Mexican cuisine restaurant is set up outside of the main entrance of the hotel, in a series of connected palapa structures that is a great setting for the excellent food that they serve. I tried a tamale which came with a spicy salsa and a beef entree that left me so full. I could only take just one bite of the Mexican dessert fritters. You can also have your breakfast here buffet style. Hana Polynesian Grill. Hana serves Polynesian-inspired food and drinks. In the morning, it serves a smallish breakfast buffet offering Mexican specialties, as well as traditional Asian and American breakfast foods. On the upper floor of Hana, a separate kids' buffet is laid out for breakfast with a chocolate fountain with fruit skewers, candy, and big lollipops, and a low-height buffet table that includes kid-sized food and kid-friendly choices. Drinks. Although the food is great, the drinks are spectacular across the resort and definitely are the best we have had at an all-inclusive resort. The cocktails blew me away not only in presentation, but because no cheap mixes were used. The Great Room. Lobby bar. I was shocked at the level of craft cocktails this resort makes. Besides the general lineup of drinks in the lobby bar, there was also a pop-up specialty craft cart in front of the lobby bar that made smoked drinks, including the best mezcal drink I have ever had. Press Start. Press Start is the sports bar for the resort. It has a multitude of TV screens, a large bar, and also has lots of games to play. This venue also has karaoke in the evening. Overall, the Marriott Cancun is one of our top picks for all-inclusive resorts in Cancun. As a new all-inclusive resort, the Marriott Cancun has hit the ground running. With a gorgeous beach, spectacular drinks, an excellent range of delicious food choices, and super happy staff, it's a resort that will likely just get better. It is still under renovation, with additions of a water park and kids zone in progress as of May 2024. We're guessing a spa and gym will also be added, and in the meantime, guests can use these facilities next door at the JW Marriott. Activities are fairly low-key now with the usual scheduled beach and pool activities and small bands in the evening, but we are told activities will be ramping up. We are really looking forward to returning in 2025 to check out all the additions to this resort. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked it, please subscribe. We release new content weekly, so see you soon!